Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Murid ke. Dear students, this is our lesson number 14. In this lesson, we will discuss alcohols. Alcohols are also a homologous series of molecules like alkanes and alkenes. Alcohols are organic compounds which contain the hydroxyl OH functional group. Basically, these molecules contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And in these molecule OH is the functional group. Here you can see from the diagram that this is the structure of propanol because it contains 3 carbon atoms, and OH is the functional group of these molecules. All alcohols contains the element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They have the general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Naming alcohols. The name of an alcohol ends with OL. Hence, an alcohol that contains 2 carbon atoms is called ethanol. The molecule which contains 3 carbon atoms is known as propanol, while the molecule containing 4 carbon atoms is known as butanol. Methanol contains only 1 carbon atom and the formula is CH3OH. Its full structural formula is shown in the diagram. Ethanol contains 2 carbon atoms. The molecular formula for ethanol is C2H5OH, or we can write it as C2H6O. Its structural formula is CH3CH2OH and its displayed formula is shown in the diagram. Propanol contains 3 carbon atoms and its molecular formula is C3H7OH. Its structural formula is CH3CH2CH2OH. The molecular formula for butanol is C4H9OH and its structural formula is CH3CH2CH2CH2 and OH. Properties of alcohols. These are the physical properties of alcohol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol. They are very soluble in water. They all are in liquid state. Their boiling points are 65 for methanol, 78 for ethanol, 97 for propanol and 118 for butanol. As you can see from the table that boiling point increases with the increase in number of carbon atoms. Alcohols are soluble in water but their solubility decreases as the molecular size increases. For example, methanol is very soluble in water but butanol is only slightly soluble in water. Unlike the alkanes and alkenes, the first 4 alcohols are liquids at room temperature and pressure. Properties of alcohols. Although alcohols contain the OH functional group, they are not alkalis. In fact, they are all neutral in character. Alcohols are more reactive than alkanes because the carbon, oxygen and OH bonds in alcohols are more reactive than carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-hydrogen bonds in alkanes. All alcohols have similar chemical properties. Alcohols can take part in these reactions: combustion and oxidation. Combustion. Like most other organic compounds, an alcohol such as ethanol burns in air to produce carbon dioxide and water. You can see from the equation that C2H5OH, it reacts in the presence of oxygen and produces carbon dioxide and water. The combustion of alcohols in excess oxygen produces a clean flame, as only carbon dioxide and water vapors are produced. Due to these combustion reactions, alcohols are very good fuels. They are often used in racing cars. How is the combustion of alcohols useful to us? Alcohols can be used as a fuel. In fact, some race cars run on methanol. Methanol is less volatile than petrol and is less likely to explode in an accident. Methanol is also a clean fuel. It does not produce soot on combustion. Singapore relies heavily on petrol as a fuel. Do you think it is a good to use alcohol as a fuel instead? Alcohol is also burnt on some foods such as fruit cake to give it a distinct flavor. Oxidation of alcohols is the second chemical property of alcohols. Alcohols are easily oxidized. For example, in the laboratory, we can oxidize ethanol by heating it with a mixture of potassium dichromate solution and dilute sulfuric acid as a catalyst. Ethanol then becomes ethanoic acid. On oxidation, alcohols always produce carboxylic acids. Ethanol in the presence of atomic oxygen produces ethanoic acid and water. In this redox reaction, ethanol acts as a reducing agent, while acidified potassium dichromate acts as an oxidizing agent. Potassium dichromate is reduced, its color changes from orange to green. Remember this color change, it is often asked in the questions. Ethanol is oxidized to ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is an example of a carboxylic acid. You will learn about carboxylic acids in the sections 24.4 and 24.5. How is the oxidation of alcohols useful to us? In Singapore, the police use breathalyzers to test the amount of alcohol consumed by drivers. A breathalyzer contains acidified potassium dichromate. If the breath of a driver contains a high level of alcohol, a color change is registered on the device. I thank you all for your precious time.